Good morning, students. Today we are here to have a visit to a solar power plant. Okay, so we are on the terrace of Modern College of Engineering. In all, total we have three systems. So you have to write a report, detailed report, handwritten detailed report regarding this. So you have to explain all the three systems and mention it. Okay. So I'll show you from here. See, you can see here there are total 4 plus 4 plus 2. So 10 panels are there. Okay, each rating is 2.5. So total capacity is 2.5 kW. Each panel rating is 0.25 kW. So 10 panels are there. So 2.5 kW is the rating of this site. Okay, which is developed by mechanical department, and its output is through inverter. It is going to the mechatronics lab, and mechatronics lab all load is on this renewable energy, which is solar power. Okay, this is the first system. Now the second system you can see here. Okay, so total panel if you have 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 panels are there. Okay, 11 panels are there. So here the capacity is actually 5 kW. 5 kW. One panel is additional. I'll show you the rating of each panel as well so that you can calculate the capacity. And number of panels are connected in series and parallel depending upon the rating of the inverter. Okay, so those connections I'll show you. So let us come to the connections so that you will understand how panels are connected in series and parallel. We have seen a small panel at our lab. Similarly, this is with a higher capacity. I'll try to show you the specifications which are given on the backside of the panel. Just a second. Okay, I'll tell you the ratings, but in the meanwhile, yeah, ratings are here. I can see. Just a second. I hope it is visible to you. So all these ratings are given to you. Rating is 250 watt. Each panel. This is a panel rating, one panel rating. Similarly, we can connect number of panels in series and parallel. It is 250 watt. Okay. Open circuit voltage VOC is 37.25 volt. Okay, so around we can have 40 volts say. And IC is 8.75 ampere. VM peak to peak is 30 volt. Okay, and IM peak to peak is 8.4 ampere. Fill factor is 77%. Okay, efficiency of the panel is 15%. Okay, so maximum panel efficiency is around 20% only. With change and modification in the panel material, efficiency varies a little bit. Now you can see the series parallel connection. All panels are of the same rating. Okay, so the rating which I have shown is for 2.5 kW. Now we will see this 10 kilowatt system. So rating of each panel, you have to write all this in your report. Huh? So rating of this panel is C. I'll try to show you. Okay, you can observe it here. It is 260 watt, 37.75 volt, 8.95 ampere. VM peak to peak 30.98. IM peak to peak 8.39. Fill factor 76.9%. Okay, and efficiency of the panel is 16.93. Okay, it is Vikram Solar. Make is Vikram Solar. So same ratings are there. I can show you. Okay, you have to write it in your report. I hope it is visible to you. Okay, otherwise I'll provide you a photo of it. Okay. So such panels we have connected in series parallel. I'll show you the series parallel connection. See, this is one of the incoming cable. This is a conduit from where the wiring is done. So this is the first cable. See, this is the first cable. Okay, going to the panel. One of the terminal. The second terminal connected to the another panel. So this is a series connection. See how many panels we have connected. One, series with second, series with a third, series with a fourth, series with a fifth, series with a sixth, series with a seven, series with a eight, series with nine, and series with the last. Okay. So this is how the panels can be connected depending upon the requirement of a voltage and a current. We can connect the number of panels in series and parallel. So we'll go to a room where this wiring is going on to show you the inverter and all major components as per the block diagram. So you can see here the conduit I am trying to trace. Okay, see this is a conduit which is going inside this room. So we'll go inside the room where controllers are placed. Okay, so this conduit is coming out from here. You can see this wiring is carried out inside a room. Then there is one MCB to make it on and off. Okay, and this is the inverter. This is the inverter which will convert DC power into AC panel. This AC power is further connected to this ACDB panel, AC distribution board panel, and from here it is distributed to the corresponding load. Okay, so this is what the things are. So see, this is how we get the readings. Say 1448 watt. Energy today is 1.9 kilowatt hour, and total energy till today from the installation is 13566. You can see the today's date, 22nd November. Sorry, 22nd October, and today's time also you can see. So you can write down this reading in your. You can write down this reading in your report. Okay, so this is one of the system. I hope you have understood it. Yeah. So this is per phase voltages you can see here, voltages and currents. So no need to write all this, only the first energy generated and all you can write down. So these are the voltage and currents in the each phase. Okay. So around 2 ampere current we are getting with the 240 volt after the inverter. Power factor is unity and frequency is 49.96, so around 50 hertz. So from morning already power started generating. You can see here. So this is how sun tracking is done. You can observe power is going on increasing. At 8 a.m. morning it has started before 8 itself. Okay, so at now we are getting peak, and then it will go on decreasing. Okay, I hope you have understood this. So this is a standalone system. Okay, but directly connected to the AC load. Now we will go to the third system, which is 100 kW.